Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, 28th of February 2019. So the end of February already. Where does the time go? So starting off with the pound in the daily chart, you can see that prices moved higher yesterday, trading up to the 133 psychological level. They're currently trading there as well. Heading to the 133.50 at one point, not failing to stay there. Obviously, the further that Brexit gets pushed down the line, or doesn't happen, the greater this is for the pound. And yesterday you can see prices just going one way and then sideways as we went into the afternoon there. It's been sideways on the overnight and just down slightly there. You can see it's sitting at the moment on the 133 line, but above the 200 bar moving average at the moment and sitting on the DP level, daily pivot there. And news for today, what have we got? There's only advanced GDP, that's the US at 130. That's forecast to be a lot lower. The global slowdown looks to be taking some sort of effect upon America as well, looking at those figures. Meanwhile, in the Dow, let's go to the pre-market session. Once again, prices, they were lower and then they turned around. You can see there early on, after recording the alert, and then you'll see prices moving back up. And then we went through the 200 bar moving average, and then we were hit by selling coming into the market. And then as soon as we closed below, it was straight down. We see them buying back in here with the blue test bars, and at the 76% retracement we see them retest and buy back into the market as well. All the selling has gone by this point. So from here to here you can see the market coming down to this very important area. You also get it again here, double bottom, and then prices make their way back to the upside there. So no surprise at all. And let me just activate the move tool, and prices double top there for the more or less an hour before the end of the session, and then overnight prices have moved lower. It's starting to look slightly weakish at the moment, and in particular when you look at the daily chart you can see that we are coming down towards the 76% retracement. We've gone up on low volume, so it may need a shakeout back down to the 200 bar moving average before it can move higher, but certainly looking weaker at this point, and no doubt the market waiting to see whether Trump and China are going to do a deal or not. If this is the case and they end up doing a deal, you will see the market spike back up and have a run towards the all-time high, but at the moment it hasn't got anything positive to move it to the upside. And certainly looking at the price action, we are moving lower at the moment. That said, of course, a close back above any of these levels will resume the sort of uptrend. We are above the 20 bar moving average, so we're still long, but it's struggling this week, whether it's because there's not a lot of news around, but certainly a lot of indecision and sideways activity there for this market for this week. And speaking of sideways, well, Bitcoin, like you say, it's pointless focusing on this, but you can see it's become sideways once more. And with that, it's a quick roundup of what's going on at the moment. And yeah, if there is anything to report, anything picks up a bit in any direction, whether it's the pound and Brexit or the Dow and the China deal with the US, I will let you know. But otherwise, that will do it for this one. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.